everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I am going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to share some ideas to wear dupatta on plain kurtis. So let's get started. With this plain anarkali kurti, a net embroidered dupatta matches perfectly, but make sure to keep slightly light shaded net dupatta to grab attention. For plain cotton anarkali suit, this type of printed cotton dupatta can be wearable. Printed kalamkari dupatta can also be tried with plain anarkali kurti. Contrast color printed dupatta also looks very elegant with the plain kurtis. Multicolor leheriya dupatta is also a good choice for a traditional look. It enhances its brightness when it's paired with plain white color kurti. Multicolor floral printed dupatta with some gota patti work looks stunning with this plain pink kurti. By just adding a printed strip to the plain georgette dupatta, it can create a complete kurti plazo outfit. Only thing is to be noted here is that the strip should be of the bottom fabric if you are using printed bottoms. Here again a same pattern is used in a contrast color plain chiffon kurti. If you are using plain dupatta, then try to match it with bottoms for pairing it perfectly. This is a very classy style to wear golden lace dupatta having lots of big size fabric tassels in it, and pair it with white or off-white color kurti plazo set. Also you can add multicolor pom-poms in the bottom of the plazo pant. So I hope you like these dupatta ideas and will try it too. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.